Namaste students, myself JBN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed 7th semester. We will discuss the topic Importance of CCE. Introduction. CCE means continuous and comprehensive evaluation. It was made mandatory in National Policy of Education 1986 to introduce continuous and comprehensive evaluation in school as an important step of examination reform and for the qualitative improvement in the education system. Continuous, it refers to continuity and regularities of assessment during the whole session and the frequency of class tests, unit tests and terminal tests can make the evaluation regular. The test may be followed by the diagnosis of the hard spots of learners and remedial interventions to correct them. Retesting and getting feedbacks may help the teachers and for their self-evaluations. Comprehensive, it refers to the areas of assessment which include both scholastic and co-scholastic aspects of pupils' growth, helping and all-round development of the child. Scholastic aspects include curricular area or subject specific area and co-scholastic aspects include life skills, co-curricular activities, attitudes and values. In scholastic aspects, cognitive growth in subject specific area are covered and in co-scholastic aspect the growth in affective and psychomotor area are covered. Okay, now evaluation, scholastic evaluation assessments in scholastic means is done informally and formally using multiple techniques of evaluation continually and periodically. There are two types of assessment in an academic year to test the scholastic area: formative assessment and summative assessments. Co-scholastic evaluations assessment in co-scholastic area is done using multiple techniques on the basis of identified criteria. Assessment of co-scholastic area is done at the end of the year on the 5-point grading scales. Need and relevance of CCE. It helps to make the education process a student-centric activity and to develop cognitive, psychomotor and interpersonal skills. It helps the teacher to organize effective teaching strategies, to develop student achievement through continuous assessment, diagnosis and remediations assessment in scholastic areas. By continuous evaluations, children can know their strength and weakness. It provides the child realistic self-assessment of how he studies. It helps learners to determine the area of instructions in where more emphasis is required, and now it helps the making decisions for the future regarding choice of subject course and careers. Conclusions: evaluations play an important role in any curriculum. It plays a very crucial role in teaching learning process and influences the quality of teaching and learning. Only when learners are evaluated, their weakness and difficulties we diagnosed and remedies we given for more effective teach learnings. By using this particular evaluations technique, the teacher can turn ordinary students into active learners. Assessment in scholastic areas is done informally and formally using multiple techniques of evaluations continuously and periodically. Okay, thank you students.